Hey my foodies, welcome to Kanak's kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you very yummy muffins at home using some carrots and that too without eggs, that is eggless muffins at home. These muffins comes out to be really moist, spongy and tasty at home and that too without any kind of eggs in it. So let's see how to prepare this simple preparation at home. And guys, if you want to see my recipes in Hindi, then you can check the link in the description box below and subscribe to my new channel Kanak's Kitchen in Hindi. First up, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Next up, in a large bowl, add in the yogurt. Beat it well until it becomes smooth and free from any kind of lumps. Next to this, I am going to add in the powdered sugar and again whisk it until it's nicely melted. If you want, you can also use brown sugar over here for that good caramel color. Mix the yogurt and sugar really well. Once dissolved, next to this I am going to add in the baking powder and the baking soda and stir it lightly first and leave it for a minute or two to react it with the yogurt, and soon you will see the mixture becoming light and frothy after the reaction. You can see it's become light and frothy on top. Now to this I am going to add in the oil and mix it really well with the yogurt mixture. Next to this I am going to add in the grated carrots and mix that as well. If you want, you can also use some grated beetroot for a more healthier option for your children. Once it is mixed well, now stir in the all-purpose flour or the maida with some cinnamon powder. This cinnamon powder gives it a really nice flavor and aroma with the carrots when baked. But if you want, you can skip this and use vanilla also. Mix it really well. And now adding the milk little at a time, start to mix it until all the things are well combined with each other to make a good creamy mixture. So keep folding it lightly. Lastly, I am going to add in some lemon juice and again give it a good mix. Now I am adding some raisins over here. If you want, you can use any other nuts you like. Now this cake mixture is ready. If you want, you can bake a bigger cake out of this. But today I am making muffins. So here I have got these silicone molds which I am using today, as it becomes really easy for demolding. But if you want, you can use any cupcake or muffin trays lined with paper liners for this. Fill all the silicone cups up to the 3/4 portion, as they are going to rise after baking. So do not overfill these. So fill all of them nicely. Once all are filled nicely, I am going to top it up by sprinkling a few chopped nuts on them. This is optional, but it gives a nice texture and crunch to the muffins. These are ready to go into the preheated oven now. Put it into the oven into the middle rack and bake these for about 18 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius depending on the size of your molds. After 8 to 9 minutes, you can see they have started rising and I can already get the lovely smell of the cinnamon in my house. Now it's been almost 20 minutes. Let's check it by inserting a toothpick or a knife into the center of the cake. And yes, it has come out clean, which means it is done. Remove them out and let them cool down. Let them cool down completely and then I'm going to demold them. So for demolding it, just loosen the sides of the mold and then invert it upside down and slowly release the mold. You can see how easily and beautifully it has come out, and these muffins look really good. I'll break one and show you how it looks from inside. It's quite light and spongy from inside with all the carrots you can see, and when I'm pressing it, it springs back, which shows how spongy these have come out. So these are ready to enjoy. Cool them completely and then you can also store them in any airtight container. These also works great for kids snack box. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful recipes.